Zenvico Shoulder Brace is marketed as a wearable support that claims to stabilize the shoulder, reduce discomfort, and help you recover from strains or everyday shoulder pain. The ads make it look like a simple fix, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, shoulder braces are a legitimate product category and can provide support and compression for certain shoulder conditions when used appropriately. What it does well: provides shoulder support. The brace can help stabilize the shoulder during daily activities or light exercise. Compression may improve comfort. Gentle compression may help some users feel more supported while recovering from minor strains. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a cure. A shoulder brace won't heal torn ligaments, rotator cuff injuries, or other underlying medical conditions. Results vary by injury. The amount of support and relief depends on the cause and severity of your shoulder problem. Fit is important. A brace that's too loose may provide little support, while one that's too tight can be uncomfortable. So, should you buy the Zenvico Shoulder Brace? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for additional shoulder support. If you have mild shoulder discomfort or want extra stability during recovery, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to replace proper medical evaluation, rehabilitation, or physical therapy when those are needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.